ETH inevitable in US, European market way ahead with ETH ETPs. Tanzeel Akhtar last updated, March 5, 2024 1:54 EST 3 min read. Source, Midjourney. Several applications have been submitted for Ethereum exchange-traded funds with the U.S. Securities Exchange Commission (SEC), and the decision for approving or denying the products has been pushed back, which is in line with analyst expectations. Unsurprisingly, on Monday, the SEC delayed a decision to approve the BlackRock spot Ethereum ETF. The SEC now has until May 23 to approve or reject VanEck's ETF application for an Ethereum ETF tracking the world's second largest cryptocurrency. In January, the SEC approved almost a dozen Bitcoin spot ETFs, which has caused a trading frenzy as demand for the products continues to accelerate. One of the 11 Bitcoin spot ETFs approved is the BlackRock iShares Bitcoin Trust, trading under the ticker symbol IBIT. BlackRock's ETF is leading the pack and so far has attracted $10 billion in assets under management (AUM) in just under 2 months since launching. ETH ETF approval inevitable. Many product providers are optimistic about the approval of more crypto products, believing it is inevitable the SEC will eventually approve Ethereum ETFs due to the demand. I think it is inevitable Ether is next. Hector McNeil, co-CEO and the co-founder of VanEck, a firm which markets and distributes exchange-traded products, told Crypto News, if Bitcoin can be approved and meets all the liquidity and asset class thresholds, then Ether qualifies, adds McNeil. European market way ahead of US with ETH ETPs. Across the pond in Europe, many issuers such as are sitting smugly after successfully listing numerous cryptocurrency exchange-traded products ETFs years ago, giving investors exposure to Bitcoin and Ethereum. Crypto ETP providers in Europe include CoinShares, 21Shares, WisdomTree, etc. Group, Valor, and Fidelity. We already have these ETH ETFs in Europe. We have over $130 million AUM in etc. Group's physical Ethereum ETP trading under the ticker symbol ZETH, and it's been in the market for over 4 years, explains McNeil from VanEck. Crypto ETPs versus ETFs. What's the difference? According to CoinShares, a European asset manager specializing in digital assets in the US, the term ETF has become the default term for all exchange-traded products that aim to replicate the performance of an underlying asset or benchmark. In Europe, due to specific fund regulations, the term ETF cannot be used for single assets like Bitcoin, gold, or smaller baskets of assets. This regulatory distinction means that when European investors search for a crypto ETF, they should be searching for a crypto ETP instead, explains CoinShares on its website. In February, CoinShares announced investors of the Europe-listed CoinShares physical Ethereum ETP ticker ETH/SETH can earn a 1.25% staking reward per year. CFTC-regulated ETH futures already trading on CME. Another point worth noting is that the U.S. has regulated futures products which give investors exposure to Ethereum, approved and regulated by the Commodity Futures Trading Commission (CFTC). The remarkable success of BTC ETFs, coupled with the existing CFTC-regulated ETH futures trading on CME, paints a compelling picture for an imminent ETH ETF, Chanchal Samatar, head of product at etc. Group, told Crypto News in an email. The market's leading ETF issuers have filed applications, signaling their confidence in this development. While the SEC's stance on whether ETH qualifies as a security remains uncertain, the undeniable momentum, driven by institutional investor demand, makes a strong case for approval, said Samatar. Staked ETH ETFs will face delays. One snag Samatar highlights is that a primary attraction of ETH for institutional investors lies in its staking yield. For many investors, staking is a way of earning rewards by simply holding Ethereum. We anticipate that staked ETH ETFs will face delays in approval in the U.S., unlike Europe where these products are readily accessible to investors, adds Samatar. Why does the SEC delay decisions? The SEC's decision to delay indicates a cautious approach towards cryptocurrency ETFs as the regulator assesses all of the risks and regulatory considerations associated with the products. It has taken over 10 years to approve a Bitcoin spot ETF. Back in July 2013, the Winklevoss twins first filed for a Bitcoin ETF, but this was rejected over and over again. Follow us on Google News.